Hi guys, this is the current status of the laptop screen here. Let's remove the battery and unscrew them and see. Let's get the screws so that later on we may not be looking around for screws. That's the guitar pick. So it's a pretty much safer tool for this job. Alright, let's remove the hinges. Okay, now we're gonna work on the LCD. Actually, I supposed to just remove the LCD only without removing anything, but the hinges of my laptop is very strong and it's not flexible enough to open it wider. That's why I have to remove everything and work on the LCD alone. So now this the order from the Shopee just arrived this morning. I've ordered the LCD, the new one. It's been well packed. Thank you to the seller, Oh, it was a 40 pin, so it went well. Let's try have a test and see if it's worked. Then I'll just screw everything up. Oh, it's putting up. Right, let's turn it off, remove the plastic cover, and then I will be covering up the LCD now. After done with the LCD, now I'm trying to put a body back and lock the hinges. Just an advice, if you haven't done this job, just don't try it on yourself. You might damage your unit. Always seek assistance. Oh, it's working now. So thank you, Shopee. Yeah, there you go. Thank you everyone for watching this before and this after. Thank you very much.